Are you looking to make money as a freelancer? In this interconnected world, countless platforms promise to bridge the gap between you and potential clients. But not all are created equal. Today, we'll delve into 4 leading platforms, comparing and contrasting their features to help you make an informed decision. First up, we have Upwork. Connecting freelancers and clients globally, Upwork is a hub of international collaboration. It offers an array of efficient tools from project management to secure payments, ensuring a seamless remote work experience. Accountability is key here, with transparency features that keep everyone in the loop, making Upwork a top choice for those who value clear communication and user-friendly interfaces. Next, we have Freelancer. Much like its name suggests, Freelancer is a worldwide platform that links freelancers with clients keen on efficient project collaboration. It offers similar features to Upwork, such as streamlined project management, clear communication, and secure payments. However, Freelancer shines with its user-friendly tools and transparency features, making it a leading website for those seeking a straightforward approach to remote work and international collaboration. Moving on, let's talk about Fiverr. More than just a platform, Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and clients with a unique gig-based system. Starting at just $5, it simplifies the whole process from communication to project management and secure payments. Renowned for its user-friendly interface and diverse talent pool, Fiverr is a top choice for creative projects and digital collaboration. Last but not least, we have Guru. Guru takes a slightly different approach, focusing on connecting freelancers with specialized skills to clients. It simplifies the process of communication, project management, and secure payments. Guru is a preferred choice for businesses seeking freelance expertise, offering a platform where specialized skills are valued and sought after. In summary, each platform has its unique strengths. Upwork and Freelancer offer a user-friendly interface and transparency features, making them ideal for general freelancing. Fiverr, with its gig-based system, is perfect for creatives looking to sell their services at a starting price of $5. Meanwhile, Guru caters to freelancers with specialized skills, connecting them with businesses in need of their expertise. So, regardless of where your skills lie, there's a platform out there for you. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or a consultant, rest assured that Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru can help you connect with clients and make money as a freelancer. It's a big world out there, and these platforms are here to help you navigate it.